name is Rebecca Lowe. I live in Remington, Virginia, and for our programming technique today, I'm going to show you how to build your own flannel board, which is very cheap to do, surprisingly. Your materials that you need, which you can use a piece of plywood, which I got for free from my husband. You could also use a very strong, sturdy piece of poster board or foam board, which you can buy cheaply at Walmart or any other craft store. The other main piece of material that you need is a piece of flannel, which I got a yard of it at Walmart for $3.47. And then the other material that you need is some felt pieces. Again, I got this at Walmart, 23 cents a piece, so that's very cheap. And then finally, I'm using a staple gun because I have a piece of plywood. If you're using poster board or foam board, you could also use duct tape. The first thing you want to do is place your piece of flannel down on a flat surface. I'm using my kitchen table to do this. And then you're going to take your main piece of material, which is my plywood, and I'm placing it face down. And then you can start at any end in order to staple it or secure it onto your main big material. So I fold over one end. I'm going to use my staple gun. If you're using a staple gun, be very careful. And just hold it down firmly and staple. And then you go on to another section. Make sure you've pulled the material firmly across so that it is as flat as it can be on the front surface. Do the last side. Now, one of the neat things about the flannel is even though it is cheap, you also have lots of choices. I chose this color because of the season that we're going into right now, but you can use all different designs. Do one more just to secure this. And then you flip it over. And there's what you're going to be showing everybody whenever you do use it. Now you can mount this on a wall. You can hang it up on some type of stand. You can lay it up against the floor, whatever works easiest for you. Now, some of the things I did with my felt pieces is I chose to create some flowers since we are going into springtime. So you could ask the children what are the different pieces, main pieces of the flower. So we have a stem. And then we have the flower petals. And the very center of the flower. You could also use a counting activity for the younger age group. So we have one flower, and now we're building our second flower. Today is St. Patrick's Day, so we have a shamrock, and you could ask the younger age group, what color is the shamrock? And they could tell you green. And then if you're doing a birthday theme, you have a balloon. What color is the balloon? Yellow. What color is the string? Purple. And then we also have shapes. Here again, you can ask the students or the children what the different shapes are. So we have a triangle. What color is the triangle? Yellow. We have a circle. What color is the circle? Green. And then finally a square, which is purple. So these are just a few of the basic ideas that you can use with your felt pieces. Once you feel more comfortable, you can do some more advanced things like letters and numbers. Another idea you can do with this is have the teenagers build the flannel boards, which in some communities that's a great opportunity because they are limited on funds. So to have the teens do this as a project they would enjoy doing, and then you could pass them out to schools or surrounding libraries or even some of the career resource centers. But this can also be used at home with your own children. If you have your own children, you can make smaller ones that you could take in the car, which are great for long trips, and that it would keep the kids active for a while. You can use it in the library, and you can use it in schools. You can use it basically anywhere that you feel comfortable using it. If you have any questions about how to do this, then feel free to email me. You all have my email through our class, and I hope you enjoyed this.